Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to create an expense payable voucher. Expenses that have been incurred but not yet paid. How to create a new expense payable voucher. To begin, head to Vouchers under the Accounting tab. Select Expense Payable. Now click on New Expense. Enter the necessary details, including date, expense account, payable account. Enter the required amount. Now, to save the voucher, click on Save Changes. Your expense payable voucher is now created. How to clone the expense payable voucher. Now, to clone the expense payable, go to Vouchers. Select Expense Payable and choose the voucher that you want to clone. Click on the plus button. Now, click on the clone icon. Select the voucher date and click on Clone. Your new voucher is now created. How to edit or delete an expense payable voucher. Go to Vouchers and choose the expense payable voucher that you want to edit. Click on the plus button. Now, click on the Edit icon. Edit the required details. Click on Save Changes. And now to delete the voucher, click on the Delete icon. And you are done. Thank you for watching.